Ready to turbocharge your workflow by connecting the power of DocuSign with the efficiency of Salesforce? First, navigate to the Salesforce Setup menu in the Quick Find box. Search for Connected Apps Auth Usage and select it here. Locate the DocuSign for Salesforce Connected App. Next, in the Quick Find box, search for Remote Site Settings and select it. Add a new remote site. Call it DocuSign and enter the DocuSign base URL for your account region in the Remote Site URL field. Don't forget to activate it. Now, head over to the DocuSign Admin tab within Salesforce. If you don't see it, make sure the DocuSign for Salesforce package is properly installed and configured for your user profile. Within the DocuSign Admin tab, look for the Salesforce Connection section. You'll likely see a button prompting you to connect to Salesforce. Click it and follow the on-screen authorization prompts. This will ask you to log into your DocuSign account and grant Salesforce the necessary permissions. Salesforce will then redirect you to a standard Auth authentication window. Log in using your Salesforce credentials. This is the final step that grants DocuSign access to your Salesforce data. Once authenticated, you should see a confirmation message, and the Salesforce connection status within the DocuSign Admin tab will display a green checkmark or similar indicator, confirming the successful connection. You are now ready to send documents with DocuSign in Salesforce.